Today we're laser engraving some old recycled clay bricks for a garden path in somebody's back garden. They're going to put their family members' names on them. What a great memory to have. So this is in real time. They actually took around 10 minutes each. So we'll speed it up to 100 times. Since we've already done it, we can edit the video. So you don't have to sit through the boring part of the laser engraving. We get instant results. Let's speed through the other few bricks. Wonder if you can guess what this one is. So another real-time pass. That's right, that's Dad's brick. So all of these got slightly different results. A couple of bricks went a bit deeper. A couple of them had a nice glassy finish, I think because the concrete layer on top that's protecting the clay prevents the laser from going through as deep. So there we go. Permanent laser marking or engraving on some bricks for somebody's back garden path. Look at that. Job done. Looking good. Beauty.